Namaste, my name is Sandeep Solanki. Today we are going to learn a simple practice called as Ardha Navasana or a half boat pose. Ardha means half and Nava means boat. This Ardha Navasana is a preparatory to get into a Purna Navasana or Navasana pose, a boat pose. It is a seated pose which is very helpful to improve the strength in the abdomen. Abdomen is very important. If those muscles are stronger, all the other movements can also become a little easier. Let us see how to get into this Ardha Navasana, the half boat pose. For that, we will come to sitting in this particular position. Sitting like this and then holding the inner thigh with both the palms. When people come to this posture, they are not aware of the position of the spine. Because when they come to this position, the spine usually tends to slouch, which brings a lot of strain and tension in the lower back region, in the sacrum area especially. So it is very important to keep the spine, to keep the pelvis in a neutral position. Because the moment I keep the spine, the pelvis into a neutral position, my back becomes upright. So I will maintain my back straighter. After keeping the back straight, I will lean a little behind in such a way that at no point of time I am relaxing the spine and slouching it back. I keep my spine straight even when I am leaning behind. So I will lean behind with a straight back, engaging the core, and as if feeling I am sitting on a tripod. The tripod is two sitting bones which are on the floor and also the tailbone region which is on the floor. So I sit like this on a tripod. After leaning behind, I will lift both my legs a little up in such a way that the legs are in line, straight line, maybe parallel to the floor. Remember, I am not slouching, I am keeping my back straight, my core is engaged, my chest is not collapsing, my sternum is a little opened. And then once we find that this posture becomes a little easier, then we can release the hand. Sitting on the tripod, keeping the upper back active by pushing the shoulders behind and maintaining here for a while. As we keep on doing this, maintaining the back straight, keeping the legs aligned, releasing the hand and keeping the shoulders together, be little behind and scapula a little together, it will help to keep the back straight. And also it will start strengthening the abdomen. Holding, back straight, core active, leaning behind without slouching, lifting the legs and then releasing the hand and scapula a little engaged. Hold for about few breaths. Maybe you can hold for about, initially to start with 3 breaths. Later on you can reach to about 10 breaths. Once this practice becomes a little easier, then what you can do is you can go into a Navasana where even both the legs which are bent in this Ardha Nav will become straighter. Ardha Navasana is a preparatory practice to go into Navasana and also very good for strengthening the abdomen region, the abdomen wall. Thank you for watching the video, friends. If you like, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments, any guidance, any questions, any queries, please do write to us. We will revert back to you. Thank you for watching. Namaste.